Hi, Carol Church here. Today we are in Wellford, South Carolina at Treemont Commons subdivision. It is so cute. It's brand new. This is a D.R. Horton community. They do have one model home, but nobody's here yet. It's so new. So see on their website where they've already sold a couple of the one-level ranch style homes out here. So they do have some available, which is nice. They have plenty of two-story plans out here and a couple one-story ranch-style homes. They are going to have a pool out here in Cabana. I do not see any sidewalks as of yet. That doesn't mean they're not going to have them. They still may. But the high school is Dorman High School. Very good school district. So come out here. I feel it's kind of windy today. I don't want to lose my hat. I'm holding on to it. So we did notice that the Lake Cooley is very close by, like 5 minutes away. So if you enjoy fishing, it's a very nice, pretty lake. There's a nice park over there, playground. Everything is very close by. So if we can help you buy a home out here in Treemont Commons in Wellford, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to me and Mike. We'll be glad to help you out. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to Treemont Commons, located in Wellford, South Carolina, just minutes from downtown Spartanburg and only 20 miles to downtown Greenville, South Carolina. This community offers the serenity of being away from the city, but still convenient to everything you need, such as shopping, schools, parks, and attractions. At this time, there are homes available, and I'll have some links below for those with the different plans and pricing and everything. This subdivision is USDA approved, so that's wonderful. They will have a pool and cabana in this subdivision. The kids go to Dorman High School. It's located in Roebuck, South Carolina, founded in 1964. It's the only comprehensive high school in Spartanburg County District 6. It consists of a main campus for 10th through 12th graders and a separate campus for 9th graders and a college, career, and fine arts center. I'll have a link below with more information, and they do have a wonderful athletic department. Lake Cooley is only 6 minutes away. They have a boat ramp, community center, fishing, grill, parking, picnic shelter, restrooms, playground, paddleboard rentals. The park hours are from sunrise to sunset. And as you can see, it is beautiful. Wow. It's just a hidden jewel right here in the upstate of South Carolina. Very, very nice. I've included a couple maps so you can see the great location. And Mike and I thank you so much. We would love to be your real estate team to help you get into one of these beautiful homes in Treemont Commons in Wellford, South Carolina.